Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add Woolworths rewards card to Apple Wallet. First, go to the App Store and download Pass to You Wallet. Open the app, tap the orange plus icon in the bottom right, and select Apply a Pass template. Use the search bar to find Woolworths. Then pick the template that most popular. You can customize fields like your name or card number if you want. Then tap Add. Once added, open Apple Wallet and check. You'll see your Woolworths rewards card ready to use for shopping and collecting points. And that's it. Quick, easy, and super convenient. That's how to add Woolworths rewards card to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.